just can't have nice things. It's impossible for me to have nice things. Whoops. Hello there, everybody. So, kind of thinking I want to do something special. Nothing major, nothing huge. But to say thank you for all 100 subscribers that I have, and hopefully this will keep growing. I'm thinking with this amazing day we're having out here, I'm thinking it's time to go do a burnout in the old white pickup. I'm thinking a burnout for at least 100 seconds. You know, 1 second for every subscriber. So I think this is gonna happen. Only bad part is, as you can see, tires on it right now are pretty bald, but I don't know if you can see behind me there, got some extras. So I think right now we'll work on taking these 20s off and put those on there, and I think when Caitlin gets here we'll try and talk her into this, so this will be interesting. So let's see what happens. Find a secure jacking spot. Hope that's tall enough. Hi.
I brought you coffee.
Sweet. So I have an idea. So I have an idea. I don't know if you want to be part of this or not. So we're at 100 subscribers. I say we go do a burnout for 100 seconds. So is that a yes?
Well, you know I'm not going to say no. We gotta go to Mexico first, because we can't do them in the States.
We'll make a quick trip to Mexico. But at least she's on board. Well, right now we're gonna finish swapping some tires around, and we'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay, so we got one on. And we got two on. Then lower this nice and easy. And we take this. Make sure they're torqued. Click. 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 Ooh. Click. Click. Then we do it again on the other side. Okay, so we're out here, northern Mexico. Very northern Mexico, as you can see. We're out here, we got the sweet meats on the back there. I guess we haven't really talked about this pickup very much. This is my 03 GMC. It's got a 4.8. I picked it up for 1,600 bucks. Nothing special about it. It was already lowered. Base model, vinyl floor, vinyl, everything in there. Bumper was dented. Bumper was all messed up when I got it. Picked it up for 1,600 bucks. It has 233,000 miles on it now. Found out later it has a junkyard engine in it. It has, I think, roughly about 150-ish thousand on it now. So the whole reason I got this pickup is because of Matt Happel with Sloppy Mechanics. Realized how easy it was to get a LS engine and make power out of them without really even trying very much. So this one just has a little Camaro intake. Got a sloppy stage 2 cam. We did the LSX Innovations bracket kit and everything to make the pulleys and everything all work. The stock 4L60 made it about 3 weeks or so before it lost second, so it turned into a power glide with overdrive. Basically, I drove it around for a couple months just using first, third, and overdrive. It did fine. It is now rocking a plumber's van 4L80, unknown mileage. Got it from Pull and Save for 100 bucks. They punched a hole in the pan to drain it, so a friend of mine welded that up for me. We didn't even change fluid. We put a new filter in it, threw it in there, topped off the fluid, and I've just been running it like that ever since, and it seems to be holding up great. We're still rocking the stock 10 bolt in the rear. I got a 49-inch waiting to go in it, so hopefully one of these days this will blow up and I can put that on there. But other than that, it's just a pretty simple pickup, just a 4.8. So we're out here waiting for some traffic to slow down in Mexico, and we'll see if we can't do our 100-second burnout real quick. It should get interesting. come save me. The tires didn't make it 100 seconds. Two. Yeah, the ones that were on it are sitting at the house, and the floor jack is sitting right there, and I think I don't know. I just used my star wrench. No, it should be sitting next to the floor jack in the backyard. Much appreciated. Bye.
You can still smell it.
Currently waiting for Anthony to bring us a couple of rear tires and a jack and stuff, but that's not bad. Didn't make it 100 seconds though, so we're gonna have to figure something else out there. Didn't realize it came off the road at one point either, so that was cool. And then oh yeah, it comes off easy. Right here though, that's where she go bang. Whoops. Well, whoops. Kind of beat up the bedside a little bit. The whole thing is just covered in rubber. Just can't have nice things. It's impossible for me to have nice things. Whoops. Here comes reinforcements.
He made it to Mexico awfully fast.
Here he comes. It's kind of windy out here. We've been sitting here a while. Now it's focusing on that crack. Yeah! He's here! We made it to Mexico awfully fast. Hey look, it's the other tires! Well, now we're gonna do this quick little tire change inside of the road and see what happens. Well, I think we found the issue. Luckily though, I think a couple patches we should get it fixed and get it back on the road again. I don't know how well it'll bead up, but we'll try some Gorilla Tape, maybe that'll help. We got some chunks still hanging there. That rotor doesn't look happy. Whoops. Sure did. Sure is. Mancycle everything. Oh, this one doesn't look as bad. Probably could. There's not as much rubber over here, so that's cool. Well, I guess we'll finish doing this real quick. That one's on. And we can lower that back down. like nothing ever happened. Luckily Anthony here came and saved me. Check him out on the Instagram machine. Not your typical Tacoma. It's got some pretty cool stuff going on, so I really appreciate that though.
Yeah, no problem.
That would have been a long drive home with no tire. Might have got some lugs, but it's a $1,600 pickup. So yeah, guess we'll make our way home and get this uploaded. So I guess we'll just do the outro here. I really appreciate you guys. Appreciate the 100 subscriptions. Hopefully we have more of the shenanigans going on here soon. So make sure to tell your friends, like it, comment on it. Let me know what you want to see the white pickup doing next. I mean, like I said, it's just a $1,600 beater pickup, so we'll go beat on it. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Have a great Easter.